You believe it when you find something screaming across your mind. Green slide, green slide. What can it be? What is the reason? Is this the end to all that's teasing? Is it just something in your head? Will you believe it when you're dead? Green slide, green slide. Look out! Slime is gonna get you, baby.
Especially if you're colorblind.
It'll jump right in your mind, baby. It'll grab you.
And it's worse than Frankenstein.
Green slide, green slide. Open the door, you find the sea.